Take a chance when you're right. I can be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a try, take a try. Take a try, take a try. Take a try, take a try.
Hello everyone, welcome to Balihai Beach dito sa Boracay. Since malakas ngayon, we cannot go to Pupa Beach, kaya meron tayo ng alternative destination for the silent swimming tour. So welcome to you guys. So this one, hindi mo ito makikita sa mainland Boracay because it's bawal sa atin. Ito, pwede siyang gawin because hindi naman masyadong abuse yung paggawa nito. Yun, palusot.
Take a chance when you're right. I can be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a try, take a try.
That's it. We found ourselves on one of the islands here at Boracay or at Katiklan. So this activity is part of the island hopping tour that you can get for only 700 pesos. And pwede nyo lang puntahan yung napakaraming islands surrounding the mainland Boracay. So kapag bored na kayo sa kakalakad along the beach, or if you have a lot of extra time kapag napunta kayo sa area, pwede nyo kunin ang island hopping tour. May kasama na yung lunch, may kasama na yung diving or snorkeling along on different locations. And there you go. Do you know that one of the activities that could be done here in Boracay is the crystal padding, wherein makikita ninyo yung ilalim ng dagat habang nasa loob ng maliit na bangka yan. Hi guys, we are now on to the ATV, pero papunta muna kami sa kabilang isla para doon mag-start. So sakay tayo ng speedboat. Hi Caleb! Happy birthday! So dito kami ngayon sa Boracay. Pumunta kami dito para lang batiin ka ng happy birthday. Sayang hindi ka nakasama ito kasi nauli ka sa aeroplano. Pero okay lang yun, marami pang next time. Join us next time. Again, happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa iyo ay marami pang project at marami pang blessings sa darating sa buhay mo. Of course, good health and many fruitful friendships. Happy birthday! Love you! Ayan guys, andito tayo sa track kung saan dadaan yung ATV. So yan, we'll be doing our ATV activity today. So after a few minutes of speedboat ride from Boracay Island to Katiklan, Maine, muna tayo rito sa may bundok kung saan ginagawa yung ATV. Let's go!
I can be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a try, take a try.
Ayan, one of the best ways to enjoy the trip after ATV, mababa kayo dito sa ilog para maligo. Okay, so like these kids sa likod ko, they're enjoying the water. So kanina kami din kasama nila. tikman natin ang luto dito. Ayan. Sinigang na baboy. Binagatan sa baho. And adobong native naman.
Sa gata.
Simple, sa gata. Ayan, with apple and fruit. Pizza pad na nag-ATV ka lang kapag napunta ka sa area ko. Dapat, sisiguraduhin mo na bababa ka at maliligo dito. At of course, kasama na doon yung pagtalon here. So kanina we enjoyed swimming dito sa part na to. Sobrang ganda ng tubig, sobrang fresh. Okay, nag-enjoy ang plan.
Look like a rock, you run. Boy, take a chance when you run. I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take this mountain. Maybe let's take this mountain. Maybe let's take this mountain, take this one.